Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to install DaVinci Resolve. So first, all you have to do is to go to Google web browser and type DaVinci Resolve. You can see options here, but you have to select DaVinci Resolve 18, okay, because this one is for free. So tap this first link here, DaVinci Resolve 18, what's new. So you have to tap this one and then it will take you directly to this page. Now you just have to click this free download now. And as you can see, we have here the DaVinci Resolve 18.5, we have your studio, the DaVinci Resolve 18, Resolve 18 Studio. So all you have to do is to simply click this one, the first one here, and choose Windows. Enter details and then download. Once done, open the folder and extract the file. Okay, so you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Once done, you just have to click OK. And now it is extracting. And then you have to wait for a couple of minutes again. Okay, so once finished, it will just pop up right here. Okay, then all you have to do is just simply let this application run. Okay, you just have to tap this one and then click install again and then wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so before you proceed, you need to accept their conditions, terms and conditions. Okay, so click this box and then click next and then install. Okay, wait for a couple of seconds again. Once done, click finish. Okay, so wait for a couple of seconds again and this application will just pop up. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and DaVinci is very useful. Now you can start editing everything here. You can remove background, you can add an image. So this one is very useful and it's for free. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.